Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on adaptive brightness in Samsung Galaxy S22 phone. To look for our adaptive brightness, we have to go to Settings and in the display menu we have this function here. To turn it on, we simply tap this button, and now our screen will change brightness depending on the source of light that is shining on our screen. While we have our adaptive brightness, we cannot manually change brightness because, of course, it will automatically adapt. We also have extra brightness under here if we want to change, but it's basically a simple tap. No need to save anything. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.